This is RollPal, a packing cube completely redesigned that simplifies the way you pack. Packing isn't always perfect. However, we've changed that for you. The future of packing.
Hi, my name is Daniel Galvez. As a flight attendant, we've seen what travelers go through on a daily basis, specifically what we call the packing dilemma, which is caused by limited carry-on sizes, additional baggage fees, or worse, having airport security go through your luggage, leaving you to reorganize it again. RollPal implements the rolling technique that allows you to save space in your luggage while compressing and keeping your clothing secure in place. The RollPal design was greatly improved upon by members in the airline industry. Their years of experience led to an overall design concept, simpler and faster. So how does it work?
The exterior is made out of a ripstop polyester, making this product durable and long-lasting even after numerous uses. To use, simply place your clothing flat on the backside. Proceed to roll it along with the clothing. This adds a layer of protection while keeping it in place. Finally, wrap it with the stretchable material, which compresses it. Simple and easy. Let's see that again. RollPal makes any garment simple to pack, including jeans. Rolling your clothing has proven to minimize wrinkles and save space. And packing time can be reduced from minutes to seconds, especially when you're running late, since there's no need for complicated folding methods. Although traditional packing cubes are one of the most versatile products, they are far from being perfect. This is due to heavy materials, broken zippers, or wasted space. With RollPal, simply stack, roll, and pack. RollPal, making packing simple and quick for all types of travelers.